Like a computer, switches and routers also need an operating system to work. It's the iOS software that manages how the different components of the network work together. It is the network administrator who is in charge of its setting. Many Cisco equipment uses it as an operating system regardless of the size and type of device. The configuration of this equipment is done in order line. This is called the CLI. This is a text interface very similar to MS-DOS on Windows. It can be accessed either by a direct connection with cable connected to the equipment, or remotely at a distance using a telnet or SSH session. In the CLI, there are several configuration modes. We have user mode that allows access to a limited number of commands. We will say that it is for basic surveillance. It is represented by the sign greater than. We have the privilege mode that allows access to all configuration commands of the device. This level can be password protected to allow only certain users to access this mode. It is represented by the sign hashtag. So in the CLI, as soon as an order is entered, it is executed immediately. If you get a bad order in a router in full production, it could cause a lot of problems on the network. That's why you have to be very careful what you type. It is from the privilege mode that you can access all other configuration modes. Each mode is used to perform specific tasks and has a specific set of commands available only in that mode. For example, to set up a switch interface, you have to be in interface configuration mode, and so all commands that will be executed in that mode will apply only to the interface you have designated. Let's say you want to disable an interface. For that, in user mode, you type the enable command to access the privilege mode. Then we make a configure terminal to return to the overall configuration mode. And in this mode, we launch the command Fast Ethernet 01 interface to enter only the configuration of the interface 01. Then select the shutdown command to cut that Fast Ethernet 01 interface.